Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Spore finance. What's the current price of the Spore finance? What's the price change occur in the Spore finance? What is the next move of the Spore finance? In this video I will show you friends. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to this tech channel, like this video and keep watching this video till the end friends, because in this video I'm talking about the important update of the Spore finance. Let's start the video friends and let's move on. The current price of the Spore finance is still zero. That's not mean that the price of the Spore finance is zero friends. That's mean that the Spore finance price is very low. That is why the price of the Spore showing here zero. But don't worry, I will show you the price of the Spore finance. If you look the last 1 hour prices occur in the Spore, so that's a good news. That's a surprise for all of my viewers that the Spore finance price change is positive friends, and the previous time change occur in the Spore finance is negative. Let's see the price chart for a better understanding, and let's see what's going in this time in the Spore finance. As you can see here, if you look the previous time, the last 1 day price change occur in the Spore finance is negative friends, but the price change is negative, so that's not mean that you decide to sell Spore finance. That's mean that you have to hold Spore finance if you want to make a good amount of profit, if you want to take a high amount of profit from the Spore finance. So you have to hold Spore for a long time, and that's how you can get a good amount of profit from the Spore finance. Anyways, let's start the video friends and let's move on. The price change occurred in the Spore finance in the last 1 day is negative 15.54% friends, and the highest price of the Spore finance is 0.000001 USD dollar is the highest price of the Spore finance. Absolutely, as I told you that I will show you the Spore of finance price. So after a bundle of 0, there is a 1, that is the current price of the Spore finance. If you want to invest in a Spore finance, so absolutely that's 100% good decision for all of you, because the price of the Spore finance is very low, and the price is occur in the Spore finance is, I told you that the last 1 hour pricing is positive. So I hope that they continue this jump for a long time. That is why I suggest for all of you to hold it and don't sell it friends. What's your prediction? Please tell me in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe to this tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.